Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can delete Pinterest history on mobile. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Pinterest application and you'll be appear with the home page of Pinterest. And here on the bottom right corner, you can see the little profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. And here on the top right corner, you can see the three dots. Go ahead and tap on it again. Now go ahead and tap on setting. So now you'll be appear with the different options. Now just below the profile visibility you can see home feed tuner. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see the pins you like. So there is something common in all the picture is that there is the tick mark on each picture. So once you tap on that tick mark, you can see recommendations are turned off for this pin. So once you do that, the history will be deleted on your mobile phone from the Pinterest. So that's all guys, this is how it is easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.